Hello, have you had a breakup or a divorce? Are you still suffering from the pain caused by this breakup or divorce? If yes, well, I have something good for you. My new course, How to Overcome the Emotional Trauma from Failed Relationships and Rebuild Your Life Positively, is now available for you to enroll on. This course has many tried and tested tools and strategies that I have already used while coaching a number of people, especially women, who have had a breakup or divorce. My clients have recovered very quickly from the pain, from the emotional pain caused by the sudden loss of someone they love, or someone they thought that loved them enough to live with them for the rest of their lives. I know the pain because I went through a divorce myself, and it wasn't easy for me. It was very heartbreaking, and I thought I will never survive it. But luckily, I'm here to help you. I'm a master practitioner in breakup and divorce recovery coaching. I'm also an NLP practitioner, so I have many tools and strategies that will help you heal very quickly. So I encourage you to enroll on this course. The course is called How to Overcome the Emotional Trauma from Failed Relationships and Rebuild Your Life Very Positively. I have many clients who have already done the same thing that I'm hoping for you. They have been coached by me, they've practiced the tools and strategies that I gave them, and they have now become really happy people who are in the process of rebuilding their lives very positively. I have coached many clients to full recovery from the pain of their breakup or divorce, and I would love for you to recover from your pain so you can rebuild your life positively. Okay, so I hope to see you on the course. Click the link below to enroll on this groundbreaking course that will help you recover fully from your pain of the breakup or divorce. Okay, I do wish you well, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.